In this video, I'll show you how to find rising meme coins on Moonshot by Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, rising meme coins are basically those meme coins that are gradually rising. They are moving, they are gaining some good volume, right? So what we're going to do now, I'm going to click on this Moonshot right here. Wait for it to load, give it very few seconds. Now, from this displayed options, you can see that there is a whole lot of tokens right here. And from this tab here above, you can see there's the all chain, there's the Solana, there's the base, there's the trending, the top, the rising, the new, the finalized, and a whole lot of them, right? So for you to make this happen, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this rising right here, right? I won't love to open it because I think I saw something, so I won't love to open it. So you're going to click on this rising tab, right? Once you have clicked on it, you'll see the tokens that are currently moving and rising. So this is basically how you can find rising meme coins here on Moonshot by Dexscreener. If you find this very helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.